Hello all, let's talk about face-centered cubic crystal structure, its fundamentals and key properties. Here in this video, we are also going to calculate atomic packing fraction for the FCC crystal structure. What is FCC crystal structure? It is the most dense atomic arrangement in three-dimensional space, and it is the fundamental to understand the material properties. As you can see in the pictures, in FCC crystal structure, there are the atoms at the corners of the unit cell as well as on the faces also atoms are there. How is their sharing and how many atoms contribute into the unit cell, that we will see further. Now let's see how many atoms are there in unit cell of the FCC crystal structure. Understanding the composition of FCC unit cell requires careful counting of atoms contribution from different positions. As you can see in the picture, at the corners there are the atoms, and at the faces also atoms are present. Corner atoms are having the contribution. There are 8 corners and having atom which is shared by 8 adjacent unit cell. So corner atoms contribution is calculated like 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom. As we have seen, there are some face atoms and those are halfly shared with the given unit cell. So 6 face centered atoms each shared by 2 adjacent cells. So their contribution is calculated like this: 6 multiplied by half is equal to 3 atoms. So in all, if you count, the total contribution of atoms per unit cell in FCC is equal to 4 atoms per unit cell, corner atom plus face atoms and their contribution. Coordination number in FCC structure is 12 because each atom is shared with 12 different atoms from the unit cell. So the coordination number describes how nearest number atoms directly contact a central atom in FCC structure. As I have mentioned, this number reaches an impressive 12, the highest among all other cubic lattice systems. This particular exceptional coordination contributes to the unique properties of the FCC, especially making them high ductile and their ability to deform plastically without fracturing. So 6 atoms from the central plane of the same layer, then 3 upper layer contacts, and then 3 lower layer contacts. Like this, you can see the coordination number in FCC structure will be 12 or is 12. In FCC structure, to calculate atomic packing fraction, one should know the atomic radius. And if you see the FCC structure, it is seen that in FCC atoms touch along the phase diagonal, not the edge. Phase diagonal length is nothing but the 4r. So by applying trigonometric relationship, you can see the atomic radius in this particular case is r is equal to under root 2 a by 4. So that could be used for further calculations of APF. Atomic packing fraction or factor reveals how efficiently atoms fills the unit cell. It is the ratio of atom volume to the volume of the unit cell. So formula for APF is equal to volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, considering each atom as a hard sphere. So in our case, we people know that number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. As we are considering each atom as a hard sphere, so for spheres we know there is a formula for volume calculation, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius in our case is root 2 a by 4. So here the formula becomes 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r. R is nothing but root 2 a by 4, so it's cube. Divided by volume of unit cell. As unit cell is having the edge length a and it is a perfect cube, so volume of unit cell will be a cube. So here is the formula for APF calculations of FCC crystal structure. Now put the values into the formula and do the calculation. You will see pi is nothing but 3.14. Take the cube of root 2, it will be 2.82 multiplied by a cube, and this 4 cube is given with here, which is nothing but 64. So if you do the calculation, you will get APF is equal to 0.7379. So we can say the APF for FCC crystal structure is equal to 0.74. 74% of the space in FCC structure is occupied by the atoms. Left over is nothing but the void space. Many technologically important metals crystallize in the FCC structure, each having the advantages of the closed packed arrangement. Here you may see some of the examples are provided. If we talk about the aluminium, then its FCC structures contributes to excellent formability and corrosion resistance. Copper, related to copper, is the superior electrical and thermal conductor. The FCC arrangement allows for easy electron movement and high ductility for wire production. Gold is highly malleable precious metal. FCC packing enables extreme deformation without breaking, allowing gold leaf production. And if we talk about the silver, then it is having the highest electrical conductivity of all elements. Dense FCC packing combined with the metallic bonding creates optimal electron pathways. So like this, the FCC crystal structure contributes in the or it is having the significance in the properties of the metals. Already I have shared the videos related to the SC and BCC crystal structure and their APF calculations. So now their links are provided in the description box. Now have the comparison in between the FCC and other cubic structures. Comparing FCC with other cubic lattices reveals why certain metals adopt specific crystal structure. So related to the simple cubic structure, we people know the number of atoms per unit cell is nothing but 1. Coordination number is 6 and its atomic packing fraction is nothing but 0.52. Simple cubic structure is having the least efficient packing and it is rarely found in metals. Only polonium is the material which crystallizes in SC under normal conditions. Then body centered cubic structure, in that there are 2 atoms per unit cell. Its coordination number is 8 and its APF is 0.68. It is having the moderate atomic packing efficiency. It is seen in iron, chromium and tungsten like metals, requiring balance between the density and the strength. And the last one, FCC structure, we people have seen it is having 4 atoms per unit cell. Its coordination number is 12 and it is having the highest atomic packing fraction, which is nothing but 0.74. So it is preferred the soft ductile metals and with high symmetry requirements and dense atomic arrangement. What is the contribution of FCC in the material science? So basically it gives you high amount of density, maximum density. It's seen due to its highest atomic packing fraction. Next to that, due to the highest coordination number and multiple slip systems enable extensive plastic deformation without fracture in critical, and which is critical for metal forming processes. So enhanced ductility is seen in case of FCC structures. Then it is having the predictive power. Understanding the FCC structure allows engineers to predict its mechanical properties, mechanical strength, uh, designing of superior alloys and optimize material performance for specific applications. So that is also an important thing in the material science, which is possible by understanding the FCC. So this is all about FCC structure. We people have seen how many atoms are there in the unit cell, what is the coordination number, how to calculate APF, and what is the significance of FCC structure in the material science. So thank you for watching. If you are having any doubt, put that in the comment box. Thank you once again.